Connecting every new large language model to your enterprise data sources currently requires custom integration. If you have 5 models talking to 10 databases, you are forced to build and maintain 50 separate connection points. Engineering teams are burning entire development cycles writing fragile, bespoke API wrappers for every combination of model and internal tool. Because each integration is built differently, they carry conflicting rate limits and inconsistent error handling. When an enterprise agent workflow executes across multiple APIs, these mismatched protocols trigger unpredictable cascading failures. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard built to eliminate this bottleneck entirely. It works through a strict decoupling mechanism. MCP mathematically separates the planning layer, the language model itself, from the execution layer, which holds your data and internal tools. Standardizing the connection interface creates universal plug-and-play composability. You can route any compliant model through the same adapter hub without modifying the underlying data source. To deploy this effectively, we need to deconstruct the core architecture, examine the implementation primitives, and map out the zero-trust security mandates required for production environments. Transitioning to the MCP standard provides a stable framework for scaling AI infrastructure, moving away from the high-maintenance cycle of custom API wrappers. The logical topology of MCP breaks down into 3 strict components: host, client, and server. This architectural model shows the host layer at the top, the primary AI application coordinating the workflow. The host spawns individual clients, each managing a strict one-to-one connection to a data source. Those pathways terminate at the server nodes, isolated containers exposing external capabilities. Physical communication between these 3 layers is routed through highly optimized transport protocols operating over JSON-RPC. On the left, STDIO transport launches the server as a local subprocess via standard input and output, keeping sensitive execution strictly local. On the right, Streamable HTTP routes requests over a wide area network, functioning as the modern standard for remote cloud architectures. While older remote deployments relied on legacy standalone server-sent events, that protocol is actively being deprecated in favor of Streamable HTTP. Maintaining this strict separation of concerns and explicitly typed transports ensures teams can swap underlying LLMs or upgrade database endpoints without rewriting core agent logic. An MCP server exposes its capabilities through 3 strict primitives. First, resources, a read-only virtual file system providing context data directly to the language model. Second, tools, executable functions allowing the model to take action and cause deliberate state changes. Third, prompts, reusable templates that constrain agent behavior to ensure consistent outputs. This code snippet outlines the initial developer setup. By initializing a server instance using the official SDK, engineers explicitly declare these capabilities in a standardized format. Because autonomous agents call these tools at machine speed, engineers must use strict schema validation libraries like Zod on all inputs to prevent execution failures. During the initial handshake, the server and client undergo a capability negotiation phase. The server declares its supported primitives, so the client knows exactly what actions are available before sending instructions to the LLM. Before deploying, developers validate these JSON-RPC outputs locally using the MCP inspector. Deploying an unauthenticated MCP server exposes an open execution endpoint to the public internet, allowing any autonomous agent to trigger your internal tools. The absolute mandate for enterprise architecture is that underlying AI models must be treated as completely untrusted entities by your infrastructure. To enforce this, the architecture requires a strict separation between the authorization server, verify human identity, and the resource server, executing MCP capabilities. This flowchart tracks an authentication token utilizing OAuth 2.1 with proof key for code exchange. The token moves directly from an identity provider to the MCP server, bypassing the language model entirely. For open ecosystems, the industry is replacing dynamic client registration with client ID metadata documents. This allows decentralized, static verification of client identities without prior coordination. Without strict verification, systems are vulnerable to the confused deputy attack. This occurs when an MCP server executes malicious actions using elevated privileges because it failed to verify the user's intent. You mitigate confused deputy attacks by issuing secure, non-deterministic session IDs mathematically bound to the verified user's token, ensuring actions map strictly to human consent. Access controls must also be aggressively scoped. Instead of granting blanket access, administrators enforce permissions at the granular level of individual tools to maintain the principle of least privilege. Even authorized tool outputs must be aggressively sanitized. Treating all output as untrusted data before re-entering the LLM context prevents prompt injection loops. A multi-agent system relies entirely on the strength of its security boundary. Without infrastructure-level authorization, granting an LLM direct access to enterprise data through MCP is an unacceptable liability. The MCP standard consolidates N by M API wrappers into a single architectural layer, significantly reducing the engineering overhead of cross-platform maintenance. Decoupling the intelligence planning layer from the data execution layer isolates your infrastructure. When the next frontier AI model is released, your data pipelines remain completely intact. Where traditional retrieval-augmented generation pipelines rely on static, indexed data, MCP injects live, stateful context into the model's workflow precisely when it is needed. This comparative chart highlights the impact. Standardized capability discovery drastically reduces both integration time and ongoing maintenance hours for complex, multi-agent enterprise workflows. As a foundational communication protocol, MCP enables agentic automation to scale across a decade of infrastructure shifts. Architects who adopt this standard will scale their AI capabilities seamlessly across multiple models. Those who rely on custom wrappers will find their engineering cycles paralyzed by maintenance. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe to Rynaut, Architecting Automation, for more deep dives into agentic systems, AI architecture, and test automation.